say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, call on me. I go give you all of me.
Thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So today's wig review is a human hair wig. It is from a company called MC Hair. So thank you so much, MC Hair, for sending over this unit. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this new review. All right, you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good content coming for you guys, and I'm trying my best to bring you guys new content every single day. So make sure you have your notifications on so you can see what the girl is up to over here on the channel. All right, so like I said, today the unit is from MC Hair. The company is MCHAIRWIG.com. That's the website. This is the box that your hair will come with. Obviously, it'll have the tissue paper and the net. I already took the hair out. This is the hair here. I bleached the knots and I curled the wig. I didn't cut layers into the wig yet, though, so we'll see if that needs to happen once I put the wig on. You do get information about the company and how to follow them on Instagram. Obviously, your wig will also come in a plastic bag. You get some lashes. Actually, these lashes look really, really good. I'll definitely be using these. Sometimes these companies give you some janky ass lashes, but those look really good. Then you have your wig cap. This is way too bright for me. I like when the companies give me the brown one, honestly, or the black one. Then you're gonna go ahead and get your elastic in here. Companies now have started giving elastic bands with the bra straps, so that's really nice, but this just has the one that you have to sew in, which you can do. It's not hard to do. So this is the wig here. Like I said, I bleached the knots. The knots bleached really easily. I mean, most wigs, the knots bleach easily. I went ahead and styled the wig. I plucked a couple of hairs out of the hairline on this one, and I went ahead and put curls in this one. The curling iron that I used for this one is my 1/2 inch curling iron. Well, yeah, this is about a half. This might be a 1 inch. This might be a 1 inch. So I use this curling iron, and this curling iron is the Conair curling iron. It's literally from Walmart, or you can get it online on Amazon. So let's take a look at the cap construction. So we definitely have a lot of good parting space in here. It looks like it's about a 13 by 6, which looks really, really good. We have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb at the top, 1 comb in the back, and your 2 adjustable straps. So what I'm gonna do is just attach the adjustable straps together so that those are connected. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of the back. I'm gonna cut the lace from around the front, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the unit on. The unit, the density feels really good, and the way these curls are holding is amazing. I didn't use any holding spray. I didn't use any hairspray. I didn't use anything. No bio silk, nothing, and this wig curled beautifully. I didn't even straighten the hair before I cut it. I didn't even straighten the hair before I curled it. It had the natural wave texture in it when I curled it, and I was just like, well, I'm gonna curl it right over top of that. And you see how nice the curls came out. Like, so it's great to have hair that you don't have to do that extra step of blow drying the hair and trying to straighten the hair so that you can get some nice curls. So I'm looking at the lace color, and it looks like it's okay. Which I'm a little scared to say, but it looks decent. So I'm sort of thinking that I will leave it and not use any lace tint spray. So we'll see how that goes. I also have some of my own baby hairs down. Let me push this camera closer. I also have some of my own baby hairs down from a wig that I was wearing previously today. So I'm not sure if I should push them back or I should just blend the wig. I don't know, you guys. We'll see what happens. Okay, this wig is fitting my head really, really perfectly. I do kind of feel like my baby hairs are in the way a little bit. Like, you can see them. So if I was to leave them, I'd have to cover them with the baby hairs from the wig. But this wig's hairline looks so good, I almost feel like I don't need baby hairs. because the hairline looks good and the lace color looks amazing. So what I think I'm going to do is just push my baby hairs back. Yo, this wig fits my head literally perfectly. It's just a little extra lace right here that I can literally just cut off. But I'm really shook at how amazing this wig fits my hairline. This is really crazy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the ear tab area.
That's good.
I think I'm just gonna use hairspray to lay this wig down. Nothing too crazy. It's literally dripping down my face. I don't really like using just hairspray. I prefer to use some Got To Be as well. I'm gonna use a little bit of Got To Be on the sides because that needs to gel more so than the hairspray. So just keep going around. Alright, so this is what the hairline is looking like, and I definitely like how it's looking. Like, it looks pretty good to me. It's like a little tad bit crusty right here, but I can definitely just use some edge control and just like slick a little bit here, because that's kind of where I naturally put my baby hairs anyway, to disguise that. But yeah, overall this hairline looks pretty good. It looks really pretty in person. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I have somewhere to go tonight, so I needed to look good, not just on YouTube, but in person too. So this looks really cute. I guess we'll just stick with the middle part since I feel like it's already pretty much, I didn't intentionally make it a middle part, but I feel like it's already pretty much there. So we'll just go with the middle part. Now I definitely want to mold it down a little bit. So I'm going to grab some mousse so that this will kind of lay down. I don't want to affect the curls, but I do want this parting area to lay flat. So I'm just going to put it literally right here. I also don't want it to affect everything I just did on my hairline. So just be careful when you go in with mousse if you only laid your hairline down with hairspray, mousse can counteract that. So just be really careful with your hairline when you're using mousse, because it can affect how tightly and securely your hairline is laid down. Now if you're using like glue or tape, obviously mousse won't affect that. Now also be careful with this step, because you can burn yourself, obviously. So try to just cover your skin so you don't burn yourself. I love how the mousse makes the hair nice and shiny.
That's good.
And if you like, you can create a little bit of volume. Like you kind of see how I created a little bit of volume. So you can also do that by just holding the hair behind it back, and then it'll just create like that little hump. Now mind you, I didn't put any layers in this hair yet, which I'm kind of thinking I will need. I always wear my hair with like a bunch of layers, so I feel like this hair will probably need some. This hair looks pretty layered already, which I'm a little surprised, but it actually looks pretty layered already. The ends are a little straggly to me, so I'm just gonna trim those off.
That's good.
And now I'm just going to grab my contour brush and just add a little bit of my contour powder. Okay, so now that that's all done, I definitely am feeling this wig. I'm feeling the way it came together. I sort of do want like a swoop, you guys. I just think that I would be happier with like a little bit of a swoop. So I may add that as well, which would just mean like I would take some of this hair here and just literally just trim this away and just swoop it back. because I think I would be happier with like a little bit here. Ah, screw it, let's do it. So just goes to show you, if you're not 100% happy, just keep fooling with these wigs. They will definitely give you the look that you want, but it just takes time. So this is MC Hair. I really love this wig, you guys. This wig is really cute. The knots bleached really well. The color of the lace is amazing. I didn't even have to tint it, which is a first. And I just really love the hairline. I really didn't do a lot of plucking, you guys, and it just looks really good. I'm super happy with this wig. So thank you so much, MC Hair, for sending it over. I'll leave a link in the description box down below so you can grab this wig if you want to give it a try, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.